The use of a point analyzer. Firstly, turn on the switch of the constant temperature bus. Ensure that the constant temperature bus operates normally at temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius. First, you need to turn on the loop switch, circulating refrigeration. The experiment can only be conducted when the actual temperature of the constant temperature bus is -10 degrees Celsius. Antifreeze is circulating. To prevent machine damage, the cycle switch must be turned on. To prevent machine damage, the cycle switch must be turned on. At this moment, turn on the instrument. The testing probe is currently exposed to the outside. At this point, click on the air pump control. Click on Inhale again. Just wait until the cursor stops. Remember that the probe is exposed when inhaling. Okay, the cursor has stopped and the air has been fully drawn in. The sample needs to reach the scale line of the cup. Then put the sample into the refrigeration tank. Put the gasket back in place. Install the probe inside. 4 screws focus and tighten, evenly stressed. The current air pressure values are 108 and 114. Click on the air pump intake below. Check the air pressure. It should rise quickly and simultaneously. At this point, it indicates that the sealing has been done well enough. We can proceed with the experiment now. Click on System Settings. According to the pour point of the sample, follow the principle of adding 10 degrees. For example, if you want to test a sample at -15 degrees, then set it to -25 degrees. Then put the sample into the refrigeration tank. Wait until the temperature reaches the set temperature below. We can proceed with the experiment now. Then just click Start directly.